We always wait for Josiah in the driveway to get home. Just kidding.
Biscuit. Biscuit. So when I get home every day, I make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Then we're gonna go to our rental where we got our roof replaced and check it out.
For the second time. Our baby is in crawling mode, so this is my new life.
Yeah, Layna likes to put her fingers in outlets. And as her parents, we don't like when she puts her fingers in outlets.
I packed the diaper bag because this is a whole family affair. Keys. And we're off. We have to load our very long ladder on our roof and take it down to the city for the second time. And then we need like a level, but other than that, it's gonna be hopefully a quick trip. We're going to 2 of our properties. One to check on the roof. The second one, someone moved out yesterday, so we need to check the status of it so we can give her security deposit back if everything is good to go. How to bring this one?
The old 32 footer.
Oh. Do you need help?
Point right here.
Try to leave without me.
I wish. And she didn't like that. At school, a lot of people comment on my commander shirt. Because they won, and the Ravens ended up losing last game. They were up like 15 points with 4 minutes left, and they lost. Pretty incredible to lose in that fashion.
Layna's just kicking her little baby feet back there. Oh, she's drinking her drinking. What a good little baby. We're almost to the city. The ladder is still there.
It's solid.
We are trying to park. We are at our duplex. It's like in Upper Fells Point, if you know where that is in Baltimore. And we have a large ladder, and we're trying to trailer park. Got a stroller because it's too far and she's heavy.
Yeah, I guess when we lived here, she weighed like 8 pounds.
Now she's a hefty, I don't know, 18. Apparently the battery's dead.
She's in. Give me a second, I gotta bring this little girl in there. So you come on in and there's a bedroom immediately to this side. It's got this kind of nice full-size day bed. And we did like a 2-tone on the ceiling, or to the walls to the ceiling. Cute little dresser, rug, plant, mirror, curtains. These are her grandma's curtains.
I forgot about this rug. I like that rug.
Yeah, it's actually like a real rug. A real, what do you call it? Whatever that is. So we got a nice little couch. That ottoman comes off. Very cool little chandelier light. Little 50-inch TV. I just saw my finger go in front of the screen.
Did I always tell you?
Yeah, I like to put my finger right there.
Even though you always tell me, no I don't.
No, you don't. Washer, dryer.
This fell off, but we will redo it somehow. I feel like I actually need to sew it to this. Because this is not, this will stick to the door well, but this won't stick.
Is it magnetic?
No, it's Velcro.
Ah.
But if I Velcro, if I sew this to this, it'll stay on.
Mm-hmm.
It's just this doesn't want to stay on the fabric. So we need to take that with us. We got a little pantry.
Hey, she left us a whole, it's a decaf though.
It's fine.
So tell them, what do we do in this kitchen?
We ripped out this whole kitchen and put in this fun blue kitchen and some really nice backsplash countertop.
That's real stone, people.
This sink was brand new. Now it looks very bad. Hopefully that can be cleaned.
Scrubbed. Yeah, but these cabinets turned out really nice. Yeah, we added this dishwasher. Before, there was like one of those like RV dishwashers.
I'll put a before so you can see it's tiny. All these appliances were here. We just kept them because they were...
Oof.
I built this.
When she was pregnant.
When I was pregnant. Very pregnant. She cleaned up very nice.
Yeah. So there's a motion switch there. We got the USB-A, USB-C. This is better than Panera.
And this is the back bedroom. Queen bed. I built these little things in the wall. They're IKEA, but I like built them in. So you have room, because this is a small room. We got HVAC in here, brand new HVAC.
This is where we spent the big bucks.
Yep. And the electrical, we spent a lot on the electrical.
Yeah, a lot of new stuff. And in this closet, which is the other half, new water heater, baby. Bathroom right next to the kitchen.
Yeah.
You've heard my voice, but you haven't seen me. We did new lighting, added this exhaust fan, didn't exist. And I converted this little cabinet into a vanity. Kept the toilet. This is a matching quartz to match out here in the kitchen. And then the shower. Just a little guy back here. Gets the job done. Yikes, we gotta scrub that a little bit.
So really all we needed to do here was walk through the place, make sure nothing was broken. And we have to change the filter for the HVAC and change the battery for the keypad. And that's about it. Change the lock. Oof. This. And change these. Done. Cleaning the grate. Changing the filter. One down, one to go. That one was pretty good. We've had a lot worse. The only thing that is a little bit annoying is a broken bed that I wish she had just told us it was broken. But we found it and we'll fix it. But it's still gonna take us like an hour to fix it, unfortunately. But that's part of business. So now we're on to our other property to check if the roof is actually fixed. So we got a brand new roof, new gutters, new skylights, and the roofers put on the gutter poorly. It was literally sloped the opposite way and water was sitting in it. So they had to come out and do it again. So now we have to go down and check it again. So hopefully that's good. Luckily, the other house is only 5 minutes from the last house, and then our other property, another 5 minutes. They're all within 5 minutes of each other, and they all are around this park, Patterson Park.
It's like a triangle.
We have arrived. This is a tidy street. It's a one-way. Gotta document it. Okay, I'm here at the next stop. This was our first house, so I'll show you around. It's got a real cute entryway. Come into the living room. We just refreshed this. We got a new couch, new rug. You walk in here, it's got a very beautiful kitchen. This is my first renovation ever. Exposed beams, a classic Baltimore row home. And then you got the exposed brick going up the stairs. So I'll show you up there next. Okay, let me show you upstairs. So we got new skylight. This is bedroom number one. Got some fun wallpaper, exposed beams. This is a full-size bed. Little dresser. And then cute hallway, bathroom. Looks good. And front bedroom. This house gets great light. These ceilings are super tall. So we did a whole renovation here. It's a lot of work. Up the ladder so that we can check on the roof. Keep going up. I can see already that the gutter is sloping the right way now. So we'll see.
So I'm on the roof, and it's always so majestic when you get up here. I'll show you what the downtown looks like from up here. You can hardly see in the distance, but that's downtown that way. Right there. So Anna's going to go get a water bottle because putting the level on this, and it is pretty flat. You want the bubble to be a little closer to the right because the hole is down on that side. It's a hair that way. You bring the level down to this side, and this is how it's supposed to look. You want it overlapped like that. We always seriously have the worst luck with contractors. I feel like everybody wants to be paid top dollar to do very subpar work, which is very frustrating.
Hopefully we never have to do this again. We did it. It is what time?
6:08.
6:08. We left at like, I don't know, 3:30. So now we're gonna probably go for a walk down here. Maybe get a drink. Now we're getting a drink at Safeway. I'm getting a kombucha. Josiah is getting, don't know. Here's my drink of choice. Josiah, see it?
Bam.
Nice. Cheers.
Cheers.
Our old stomping grounds. Gotta say the weather is perfect. Just pretty.
So we're finished walking around in Baltimore, and we got Chipotle. This is one of the best local spots in Baltimore. Look at that right there.
Back through the city on our way home. It's a lot quicker on the way home, but it's a pretty view. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Later.